I have found an absolute gem of a meme coin on ETH. We are very early, but I think this one might have long-term potential. Hello and welcome back. If you've been following the channel for a little bit, you will know that I am a Bitcoin maxi. That means I like to hold the majority of my portfolio in coins with big market caps, specifically Bitcoin, because it is, of course, the largest crypto on the market. But it would be stupid to ignore the fact that meme coins have been absolutely massive this cycle, and I don't see that trend ending anytime soon. Let me tell you all about a coin that I've just found on ETH, which I think has great short-term potential because we are very, very early to this, but I also believe it has great long-term potential because of a few fundamental reasons that I'm going to go into right now. First and foremost, the meme coin market cap as a whole right now at the time of recording is worth approximately $136 billion. Memes are big, memes are here to stay. This is obviously at the very pointy end of the risk spectrum in terms of crypto, but clearly the crypto world loves memes. Now everybody knows meme coins for small caps, wild volatility, crazy rises from $1 to $1 million profits. Stories like that pop up every single day, but there are clearly a few outliers in the space which have proved themselves to have real long-term potential. And one of those is Pepe. Pepe currently has a market cap of nearly $10 billion. Was a meme before meme coins were a thing. Pepe is a culturally relevant symbol, a culturally relevant meme that was funny anyway, most recently causing a stir when they became listed on Coinbase. And as we know, in crypto, in markets in general, the tide rises all boats. And what we've seen in the meme coin space is a massive popularity on spin-offs from popular memes, also growing and riding the coattails of that existing culturally relevant symbol. And in this case, I want to talk to you about one such derivative of Pepe called DJ Pepe. Now this is launching very soon, depending on when you're watching this video, it may have just launched. In either case, we are super early to this, but essentially what they're doing is they're taking Pepe and they're moving that forward into the music genre. So this is DJ Pepe, right? DJ playing music and it's Pepe. But what they have done is they've built in community and community involvement into this project from the ground up, which as we know again is a very important denominator when distinguishing the wheat from the chaff. And they've got some really interesting and innovative ideas, I think, to involve their community in this, to grow the community in this. And that is why I think this isn't just an exciting early stage meme project, but this is a meme project which might very well have long-term potential. So check it out. I am on the official website right now. Now, first of all, right away, 50 million token giveaway. This is a 50 million token giveaway to the best created DJ Pepe original theme music and video. I think this is absolutely great because 50 million tokens is a sizable reward, and what that is doing is it is incentivizing outside creators to get involved with this and to create unique bespoke media for this project. And that is absolutely essential because by design, they are bringing in outside community to this, okay? They're not doing it all in-house, which is never a good thing. They are incentivizing the market to get involved and to make original content for this project. In their very own words, DJ Pepe is more than just a meme. He is a DJ from the crypto revolution inspired by the iconic crypto Pepe. DJ Pepe brings together the beats of the blockchain with the playful, irreverent spirit of meme culture. DJ Pepe is a movement driven by vibrant, inclusive community, innovative tokenomics, and exclusive NFTs. Now already just looking at this website, you can see this is all top notch. The artwork here is unique. The artwork here is high quality and it's eye-catching. It's very, very important. But it still retains that underlying backbone, that familiar backbone, which is the iconic Pepe imagery. So let's get into the tokenomics piece of this. $1.2 billion supply. That means their 50 million token giveaway for the best original theme music created for this project is worth around 4% of the supply. But the way they've divvied this up, I think bodes very well for future growth of this. And it makes me feel much more secure getting involved in something like this. So as you can see, right off the bat, 235 million tokens in paid development and marketing. These tokens have to be seen, okay? The token is useless unless people know about it. But crucially, that is not a massive segment out of a $1.2 billion supply. We don't want the project to be top heavy. We don't want too many of the people that have been paid to make this project, paid to help build this project, to be owning a massive portion of the supply, because it means that when those people come to start selling, they want to get paid. That's just how it works. That is heavy sell pressure coming from the top. In this case, that segment is pretty small out of a $1.2 billion supply. Now the segment for the founders, the founding team, is even smaller. I like to see that. I like to see that the project doesn't want to just own this whole thing, hype it up and then dump it. I don't see that being a massive concern here because the portion that they hold is relatively small. 100 million tokens in giveaways, competitions, advertising. I really like that because it is part of, as we've said, bringing in outside engagement into this. And that's not just on the marketing front. Obviously that theme, tune, giveaway is going to be big for this, but there's also more tokens in there to give back to the community that's actually getting involved, investing in this. That kind of community involvement is very, very important. And then of course the majority of the supply, 700 million out of 1.2 billion total supply, is just in open circulation. That is healthy tokenomics. I think this is good. I don't think it's going to be top heavy. And that is all stuff I like to see when I'm getting involved in these early stage meme projects. So let's check out the roadmap. First step, launch and community building. They're launching on Ethereum. They're giving away 1 million tokens daily for a whole month to foster community growth and participation. We've gone over that already. I really like that. I like that people getting involved in this are going to have parts of it. They're going to be invested, they're going to be bought in, and they're going to want to hold on to that supply because they are part of the community. Second step, listings and growth, working on major exchange listings, always massive. I mean, we've already spoken about how big the Coinbase listing was for original Pepe. Coinbase might be a way off, but centralized exchange listings, generally speaking, very good for meme projects like this because it simply exposes them to more eyes. It exposes them to more eyes of people who aren't searching the trenches for stuff like this, okay? Holding video chat calls in Telegram every day, that is massive. That means that the team is relatively transparent. It means that the team is part of actually growing this day to day. They're not just trying to send it to the moon and then get the hell out of there. They are actively participating in the chat with video calls. I think that's absolutely excellent. Third step, NFT launch and exclusive collections. Keep introducing amazing exclusive DJ Pepe NFTs and DJ Pepe World NFT Challenge. Now, obviously, NFTs, massive in past cycles. NFTs are here to stay, not super hyped right now. But again, it is all part of the same themes that we like when talking about building a community. It's about owning part of the very infrastructure of this project. So the plan is to introduce the DJ Pepe NFT collection, a series of limited edition funky digital art pieces. And I think perhaps even more importantly, each NFT will unlock a special place within the DJ Pepe ecosystem. And again, it's all about community from the ground up, which I really like. I think that's very cool. Involving the community in this, allowing them to own a part of the ecosystem that's different than just owning tokens. And I think that combined with clearly very high quality art, clearly very high quality production is going to really set this apart from a lot of the market. And apart from that, it's just fun, right? We're here for fun. We're here for entertainment. At the end of the day, we're trading on cartoon drawings of a frog here. Anything that makes that more unique, makes it more involved, makes it even more fun is part of the very first principles of the whole meme coin thing, and it's only going to make this more unique, more special overall. So apart from that, we've got global expansion plans, marketing efforts, working with influencers, hosting major online events to grow DJ Pepe brand worldwide, and to party rock all over the world. And I like that. Major online events, again, just building on the theme of getting people who are part of this really engaged and involved. I like that there is a long-term vision for this beyond just a silly cartoon that's fun to look at. So there we have it. Check out the website. As I've said, great art on this. We've got access to the team via the Telegram. You can check out that. There's links in the website as well. I really want to see these giveaways happening. I really want to see this big giveaway happening for the original theme music. And yeah, daily video chat calls in the Telegram group. That's going to be big. If the team's able to execute on this plan, I think there's a really good chance that the market picks this up and runs with it. So guys, there it is. Super early to this one. I think for the reasons that I've explained, this has long-term potential. Obviously, don't go and buy something because I said it was interesting. Do your own research. Absolutely nothing I say should be considered financial advice. I will keep you abreast of the launch on this and how it's going. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. There is plenty more to come. Catch you in the next one. Cheers.